Jillian suddenly felt very warm. From the wine and sunshine, she told herself. She could no longer stand her little sweater and pulled it off. His eyes gleamed as the warm glow of her bare shoulders were revealed. She shivered from both the sudden chill of the breeze on her skin and the intensity of his gaze. Soon enough, though, the sun warmed her up, and she felt comfortable and slightly sleepy. She took one last sip of wine, rolled up her sweater, placed it near Rod's head, and lay down on the quilt next to him. For a few moments, both were quiet, perfectly relaxed. A bridal shower of spent dogwood petals blew by in a small puff of wind. A warbler's silvery song wove through the tapestry of sun and sky, connecting the greens and golds and pinks of the scene. All at once, Jillian was aware of a new tension. Rod was motionless, almost rigidly so. The air seemed thicker and harder to breathe. Time seemed suspended. Then so fast that she could neither think nor resist, he had rolled over, hips against hers. His arms went to either side of her shoulders, one hand tangled in her hair, and a wild, unstoppable desire burned in his eyes. For a long, heated moment, they froze like that, all warm sun and hot blood and springtime fever. Then he bent his mouth to hers and began to kiss her with a frenzy he had never dared to release before. From Natural Attraction by Diana Johnson.